Good morning, traders. Today is Thursday, December 1st, 2022, 8:14 a.m. Central Time, about 15 minutes before opening bell, and we are on day two. This is not a one-day wonder, next day flash crash scenario. What are we looking at here on your splash screen? We are looking at the 1 hour chart. Let me turn on my pointer. Should have done that ahead of time. Let me turn on the pointer. Okay. Let's start with the 1 hour chart. The MACD well above the zero line and flattening out, meaning it's trying to consolidate from yesterday's surge. That is a good sign for the bulls. Okay, let's look at the RSI down here at the bottom on a 1 hour. That is way up there. I do not see negative divergence from yesterday. That is not significant divergence. Okay, so overnight it seems like it didn't fall much overnight, but see, look what it's doing. It was basically consolidating, building up energy for the next move higher. Okay, let's look at the 30-minute. 30-minute is still above zero, right? Not as high above zero as the 1 hour, but that's because the 30-minute is, as you know, is a lower time frame, but it is trying to curl. It's trying to curl back up. Okay. And look at the RSI on the 30-minute, also very strong. Not a lot of, I don't see any divergence. Basically, this is slightly going down and then coming back up, and this was slightly going down and now it's coming back up. You see what I mean? I'm not seeing bearish divergence. Okay. So having said that, let's go on and get into specifically the charts. Here we go. Markets are slightly up, right? Because they've been consolidating 13 minutes until opening bell. Let's look at, here's what I would like to focus on is the VIX. Here's the 5 minutes chart right here. It's well below the EMA 50, right? My trusty dusty, even below the SMA 20, okay? That signifies weakness, okay? It signifies weakness. Let's go up a little bit higher. Well, before I do that, let's stay on here. The 5 minutes chart on the MACD, it's below the zero line. Now, it is trying to come back up, as it should do. It should try to. So basically, wait for opening bell. Wait to see what VIX is going to do at opening bell. Give VIX a chance. It might try to spike, right? It doesn't mean that, well, or the markets could just overtake it. So it just depends. But give VIX a chance to respond. You gotta wait for VIX, right? You gotta wait for VIX. Okay. So 30 minutes chart. Here we go. Even further below the SMA 20, let alone the EMA 50 on the 30 minutes. That's way weak, okay? Now, I do see a little bit of wicking right here. So, it's making a slightly lower low. See, it's getting closer to that magical 20 line, right? Okay, so it is on a 30 minutes chart. See that? It came down on the MACD. It's coming up, and now it's even with the signal line. Yeah, this is going to be key. What happens at opening bell? Okay, what does it keep going down? Which I think it's going to. I think it's going to keep going down, guys. However, keep your eye on this, because what it's going to do is it'll likely keep going down slightly. But if it makes a higher low down on the MACD than what is right here, I think it is going to keep going down further. Get closer to that magical 20 number that everyone likes to talk about. That's when you need to probably start maybe thinking about getting, or at least selling some of your calls, if not cashing out completely. Okay? So keep that in mind. So that's 30 minute. 65 minute. Come on. Here we go. 65 minute. Yeah, see, this is way weak. Look at this. Down, 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 down. And it's way below zero. See that? It's way below the zero line, and it's going way down. Now, look, like I said earlier on the 30 minute, look for it to try to make a higher low on the MACD on the 30 minute here. See that? Look, it's going to try, naturally, because we're close to that 20 line. And if it starts to then try to flatten out, that's when you can see the rally start to top out. Or if some would say stall. Okay? So that's what you should be looking for. But otherwise, I mean, the 65 minute looks weak. Look at that. It's angling down way below the zero line. I bet the 100. Let me skip over to the 195. Yeah, it looks weak. Okay, but here's what I want you to look at. This is the 240. Sorry, I want to change that. Okay, this is a higher low than that. You see what I'm saying? So you got to be mindful. Even though I think the rally is going to be on for a while into opening bell, it's not just, oh, coast is clear, let's party till it's 1999 till next year. No. Pay attention to what the VIX is doing. Most notably, look at the 30-minute. Look at the 30-minute. Look where the low starts to become. I have a feeling it's going to head towards that 20. It may even go down to 19. You know, we'll see. But just, you got to be mindful. Okay. Use the VIX to guide you in your trade. Don't look at your equity per se. Watch what the VIX is doing. Okay. See if the VIX. Okay. See if the VIX eventually can overtake the EMA 50 line on the 5-minute chart. It can take the SMA 20, but that's not an official trend change until it starts to overtake and successfully backtest the EMA 50. Okay, that's what you must have happen for a trend change on the VIX. It must come up above it, successfully backtest, and then boom, and then rip. Okay, so watch the 5-minute. Watch the 5-minute and see what happens. Okay, but that's all I've got for you guys today. But again, expected opening bell. See what VIX does in the first 5 to 10 minutes. Just wait for VIX. See what it does. You know, I'm expecting some pushback. I don't, well, or maybe not. Maybe the markets are too strong, as you saw here. Look at the MACD on the 5-minute here on QQQ. Look at the MACD on the 30-minute, as I just showed you. It's above zero. Look at on the 1 hour. It's way above zero. The markets may just overtake VIX. Just right out of the gate, just boom. It's just going to keep falling straight down until it gets closer to 20 something. Okay, but there is going to be some response today from VIX. It's just not going to be carte blanche. I don't think so. Okay, because we're just getting too close to certain lines and making higher lows on the VIX MACD. All right, so that is all I've got for you guys today. Good luck trading, and I will talk to you later. This evening, I'm going to start incorporating other analysis like SPY, you know, the S&P 500, including NASDAQ. I might throw in a couple other Tesla, Amazon, big boys, you know. So, okay, so I'll talk to you guys later.